Hi guys, I'm going to read English newspaper. BJP headed to its roast defeat plans to use its goons police to influence result. Kejriwal. With just 2 days left for voting in the Delhi Assembly polls, AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal said on Monday his party has distributed spy cameras and body cameras among people in slum areas to capture wrongdoings and electoral malpractices by the BJP and its goons. In a video message released on the final day of campaigning for the February 5 polls, Kejriwal said the AAP is heading towards a historic victory and the BJP its first roast defeat in its existence. And that is why it is resorting to unfair tactics. We have distributed spy cameras and body cameras among people living in slum areas to capture the misdeeds of BJP's goons. We have also formed multiple quick response teams which will reach such locations within 50 minutes to prevent unconstitutional activities and ensure the perpetrators are arrested. The AAP chief said the BJP will use its goons and Delhi police extensively to win the elections. They will try to intimidate voters, especially those in slum areas. He claimed there was no immediate reaction from the BJP to Kejriwal's allegations. The former Delhi chief minister alleged BJP workers would attempt to bribe slum dwellers by offering Rs 3,000 to 5,000 and marking their fingers with black ink to prevent them from voting on election day. Take their money, but do not let them put ink on your finger, he urged voters, cautioning them against the alleged BJP manipulations. Kejriwal claimed the party would demolish slum if voted to power. Selling your votes would be like signing your own death warrant, he said. Delhi goes to polls on February 5 and the results on February 8 will determine whether the AAP retains power or if Delhi sees a change in leadership on the final day of campaigning. The BJP has scheduled 22 road shows and rallies across Delhi, intensifying its bid to reclaim power in the capital after more than 25 years. I have visited the entire Delhi. I think that we are going to win 55 seats. But if mothers and sisters push hard, we can win up to 60 seats. Thank you guys for watching.